Bro here again, Flo out of Portland, currently out in Happy Valley helping Nick at one of our complexers. We're helping to keep flowing and keep it protected, but the problem is, more than likely, is that once I make up this ladder alive, we're going to find that there's some builder grade defects happening, and ownerships let us know that they're going to be taking some actions to ensure that things are done properly. But right off the bat, you know, first off, that's a repair because the shingles don't match, but builder grade in the way that look, you can see IPS boots, very basic plastic flappers, no ice and water, granules are already toasting. This is like a newer roof too. Exposed fasteners with no sealant, no neoprenes, and it goes on and on. So we're going to go ahead and take a deeper dive and figure out where things are going wrong. And usually they're always out of breath too, which is wild. I'm already two workouts in here this week. My cardio's apparently I need to get my cardio on point. So anywho, this is the huge issue that's subtle, but I'd like to challenge anyone to see if they can see it. Just as I'm kind of pointing things around, and me and Nick are looking at some different details here. Does anyone see it? Challenge you. All of the roofers out there, all you homeowners, how about the engineers? Anyone in the crowd? We're looking right at it. Anyone yet? I'm not gonna say it. It's not this. You thought it was that. It's not this. You might have thought it was that. It's not those. You might have thought it was those. You might have thought it was the boot. It's not the boot. It's not the dormers, like a ventilation detail. It's not that. Are you ready? Are you ready? Take a look. You see it? Anyone see it? Still? No? Oh. Mixing and matching exhaust components so closely. And it's the worst type of exhaust. So more than likely, it may have been added after the fact, although it looks like a color matching shingle. I can't look back on history like that. But I'll tell you right now, you're not supposed to have a ridge vent near your RVOs, and you're only supposed to do one component. You're not supposed to mix and match. It's in all the manufacturer warranty details. And the leak is happening down here on the second unit, where we've found a combination of issues. Exposed fasteners. You want to have all your penetrations 2 feet apart minimum. We want to have proper underlayments. All the gutters are relatively okay for the age, but we've got no ice and water detail here. Cut to the edge of the flange should be brought in a little more. Underlayment's needed, it's not there. Builder grade, it's not going to put it there. On all your warranty details for your newer manufacturer's warranties on your residential multifamily properties, ice and water around your penetrations is required. And then when you do it at the highest level, you're supposed to put it down below on top of your synthetic so water runs down if it gets in. But you're also supposed to strip in your ice and water around the penetration. And this should be a nice cut, smooth, rounded corner. And they've got these jagged cuts from the blades going a little bit too far. Then their ice and water on the intakes, non-existent. And it's 30-pound felt. It's just the cheapest damn builds in the States that builders can get away from, get away with, is going to catch up to them. And so now you have a whole community potentially that's going to be affected because the GC that built it back in the day was trying to save a buck, went with the cheapest labor. But it, also I'll say that the board should also be on top of their maintenance better. These roofs here, these buildings are probably less than 10 years old, roughly. And what'd you say? Was it roughly 10? Oh yeah, on the call, sorry. And so, a lot of Happy Valleys popped up. You got new apartments down there as well. Beautiful mountain view. Finally some sunshine. Anyway, I gotta take you guys to this one of our tarps over here. A little orange flow tarp there off in the distance. As we're looking to help this these people as much as we can. We kind of say, well, you guys got to help yourselves as well. There's some aging here on these cheap ass collars. This is why you don't go cheap on your roofs, folks. Maintenance, tune-ups. This whole roof probably be leak-free if someone come up here and do a damn annual inspection properly. It's just getting people in the mindset that you got to take care of your roofs like you do the oil change on your vehicles. And in order to get the best ROI out of the system and make sure you're having issues that are going to cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on interior fixes, you got to make sure you're staying on top of these maintenance items. So all the penetrations, all the exposed fasteners, your gutters, your moss, effectively got some growth there on that building down there as well. The roof is an asset to your assets. So they take care of you, you got to take care of them. We'll catch you on the next one. Ciao.